the communication bond. This represents communication bond. This is yes sir please. And toward this side.
बताना चाह रहा है मेरी क्लास के
This is the memory bond.
गाड़ी में
And जो इसका portion है that represents the model. One is the application model है. Application model. He said that the workload pattern are not allowed to grow unbounded. Okay? The workload pattern are not allowed to grow unbounded. Into figures here, they show the figure shows that is the three model for the application of parallel computer. The three model for application of parallel computer, and these model are bounded by limited memory. These model are bounded by limited memory, limited tolerance of IPC latency. IPC, what do you mean IPC latency? Yes, sir. There are three models, and these three models are bounded by the limited memory. One is the memory bond. Second is the limited tolerance for IPC latency. IPC, that is inter-processor communication. IPC is the inter-processor communication latency, or limited input-output bandwidth, or limited input-output bandwidth. The first model that is the fixed load model, and fixed load model correspond to a constant workload. Curve is alpha, जो मैं ग्राफ से पहले ड्रॉ किया था. The fixed workload curve represented by alpha, the last curve. Okay. The use of this model, yes please. The use of this model is eventually limited by the communication bond shown by the shaded area of figure C. Communication bond. These are the shaded areas. Right. So please, the first model है. So in the first model, that is the workload is fixed, okay, and the use of this model is eventually limited by the communication bond, and that is shown by this portion of the graph. And the second is that is the fixed time order, and fixed time order demand a constant program execution time. The second model है application model, it demands the constant program execution time regardless of how the workload scale up with machine size. Okay? Regardless of how the workload scale up with machine size. The linear workload growth curve that is gamma in the figure, previous figure, correspond to the model. जो gamma जो curve represent करा, that gamma curve represents the second model, that is a fixed time model. Okay? And in the fixed time model, the constant program execution time is constant. Okay? Program execution time is constant, but that is the second is that is regardless of how the workload scale up with the machine size. Okay? The variation of workload with machine size is not taken into the consideration. Okay? But just the aim is to provide a constant execution time of the program. Okay? That is the second model. And fixed memory model is limited by the memory bond corresponding to a workload curve, that is gamma and theta. One is the theta represent the exponential growth. Theta represent the exponential growth. So memory bond is limited by the fixed memory model is limited by the memory bond. Okay, correspond to workload curve between gamma and theta. The curve, the area of the curve, this area was between gamma and theta. That represent the fixed memory model. That represent between the curve, one curve is that is of gamma, and the second curve is that is theta. And between the discrete portion है, that portion represent the